Ladies and gentlemen, please give our top 5 finalists a huge round of applause. Before we announce the winners of Miss Ogri 2017, let me take this moment to invite on the stage the reigning winners of Miss Ogri. Please make some noise and welcome on the stage Archana Thodam, the second runner-up of Miss Ogri 2016.
Mamang Chahigi Ahum Suba Mana Lobikibi Lensing Biriklibisi Archana Thodam. I beg your pardon, it's Archana Konsam. Lengsin Biribasina Ahova Kubak Kubidana Archana Konsambu Naram no view.
She is the reigning second runner-up, Miss Ogri. Let's hear it for Jennifer Thiam, the first runner-up of Miss Ogri 2016. The reigning Miss Ogri, Ngangom Vidyapati Devi, on the stage.
Haukiba Chahigi winners Singidamakta Amukanda Ahova Kapamtang Mayamna Bibigani. Thank you.
We now have in our hands the winners of Miss Ogri 2017. So ladies, hold your breath.
You announce the third?
Second runner-up.
I announce the second, and then we together announce the first. we will announce the winners of Miss Ogri 2017 in reverse order. To do the honor to honor the second runner-up or the third position holder, may I request H. Samarendra, accountant of NIT Manipur, on the stage. H. Samarendra, accountant, NIT Manipur na. Ahum Suba, Tagadoribi Asibu, Ikai Kumnanabagi, Tanzado Lobi Nabagi the Makta stage, Takta, Kaukachage.
Second extreme higher me. Okay, so you know.
All right, the second runner-up of Miss Ogri 2017. Any guesses? Yes? The second runner-up goes to Samiksha Mahapatra, contestant number 11. And may I invite on the stage any representative from Laychel to give away the bouquet to the winners. Any representative from Laychel to give away the bouquet to the winners.
Laychel dagi mihut ama yawi nagadi. Okay, si ibinanaba. Kakutsage. Contestant number 11, Samiksha Mahapatra, the second runner-up of Miss Ogri 2017. And now, the first runner-up. I can see that, ladies, your heart is beating very faster. I can even hear from here. All right, so to do the honor, may I request any representative from Extreme Entertainment, Ngasigi Sound and Light Partner, Extreme Entertainment dagi mihut amalay binagadi, ani suba, tagadawribi asigui kai kumnabada, mating tawbiyu hay na kway kaukachage, any representative from Extreme Entertainment, thank you. Also, yes, any representative from Laychel for presenting the bouquet to the winner. Oh gosh, will I be able to do this? All right, it's very tough. And I appreciate our judges tonight for your good decision. The first runner-up of Miss Ogri 2017 is contestant number 6, Martina Pukambam. Mamang First runner-up, Jennifer Fiamna. Handak Chahigi. First runner-up, Ta Bouquet Crown. Amari Memento na Chingba Kusinabiri. And then this sash to the winner by the previous winner of first runner-up in Miss Ogri 2016. Right, so ladies, 3 ladies at the back, hold your hands together. Kuchamnaro. This is a very important for all of you. Okay.
Yes, this is Martina Pukrumbum, contestant number 6, the first runner-up of Miss Ogri 2017.
Now, of course, we will be declaring the winner of Miss Ogri 2017. But to do the honor to the winner of Miss Ogri 2017, may I request Dr. Ranibala Yenkom, the proprietor of Ariel's Salon and Spa, on the stage.
And to give away the cash prize, may I invite on the stage Rikas Naurem, the marketing manager of Bradford Aviation Academy.
Bradford, Rikesh Naurem, Lekat Piranaba, Hangatari. All right, so this is to remind you people that the winner of Miss Ogri 2017 will be given 1 year free service at Ariel's Salon and Spa, Rims Road. And also, yes, the proprietor of Ariel's Salon and Spa, Dr. Ranibala Yankom, who is here with us on the stage, also sponsored the cash prize of the winner. The next thing that I would like to mention is, of course, the winner also gets 6 months free air hostess training sponsored by Bradford Academy. And of course, there, Rikesh Naurem.
All right, so ladies, can you please step forward? Can you come on the center stage?
Centered up. Woo. Unbelievable.
I'm more than nervous. I'm really nervous right now for the ladies here. So we announce the winner now?
Yeah. Come on.
All right.
The winner of Miss Ogri 2017 is contestant number
7. There is a photo.
I've got a demons that won't let me sleep.
Thank you, Rikesh, and thank you, Dr. Rani Balayenkom. Now all the three winners can huddle up in the center and walk down the ramp for the last time.
Never give up, never give up. I know you won't let you get me down. I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. No, I'll never give up, no, I'll never give up, no, no. I won't let you get me down. I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. No, I'll never give up, no, I'll never give up, no, no. Find my way, find my way home. Find my way, find my way home. Find my way, find my way home. Find my way, find my way home.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the winners of Miss Ogri 2017. Let's hear it for them.
I've battled demons that won't let me sleep. Called to the sea, but she abandoned me. But I won't ever give up, no, never give up, no, no. No, I won't ever give up, no, never give up, no, no. I know you won't let you get me down. I'll keep getting up when I hit the ground. No, I'll never give up, no, never give up, no, no.
Stay still there. Ahumag, kung pigin no, dum laibiyo. Stay sakta dum laibiyo, ahumag. Right. Aikoina winners sing da pizza gada ba apun ba fitness center da pa ahumgi hai batare. 3 months ki, 6 months ki membership. Adu kusin nabi na magta. May I request Sir Chanam Brajan on the stage. Sir Chanam Brajan on the stage to give away the gift voucher of 6 months free membership at Apunba Fitness Center to all the winners. Thank you, Sir Brajan Chanam, for that generosity.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've now come to the end of Miss Ogri 2017. We would like to thank people watching at home, also on the official websites. We are more than thankful to all of you for bearing with us all this time and having participated in the Miss Ogri 2017.
NIT na kudol tamjaba Miss Ogri 2017 matang aswaida loisinjaba kaloina na hariba event asibu miyeng tabiriba ISTV Kutsem Live amadi kumai.com gi kutang dagi miyeng tabiriba punang pu amukan na Kishore Chandra Wangkemcha amadi agi co-host Paul Haukibna Aroi Boina Bidai. Thank you.
Thank you everyone and have a pleasant night.
Yeah, take your time.
When I hit the ground, no, I'll never give up, no, I'll never give up, no, no.
All right, this is a humble request. Students of first year and second year are requested to stay back. First year and second year gi mahiroi sing. Kitang pantahobina na ba? Yeah, first year and second year gi mahiroi sing. Akoy gi event pangtuli ba mapamasil loisin bada. Kitang help to you hai na organize.